Align dimensional constraints. We can place constraints along a linear dimension that is on an angle or on an angled surface, such as this example here. So we're going to go up and we're going to choose the aligned dimensional constraint. And the first thing I'm going to do is use the object. I'm going to hit enter. So I'm going to use the object here, and I'm going to pick on this object right here, and I'm going to drag it out. I'm going to drag it out quite a ways so we have a lot of room, and I'm going to hit enter. And so I created one here, and next we're going to go and do it again. We're going to do aligned, and we're going to go and do the whole length of this thing here. So we're going to choose 2 lines. Down on the command line we have an option that is 2L. So I'm going to type in 2 and an L, hit enter, and I select the first line. So I'm going to pick on this line here, and then I'm going to select on the second line, which is this line here. And I'm going to drag this one all the way out, and I'm going to place it. And I'm going to hit enter. Likewise, I'm going to do the same thing on this way here. I'm going to do a line. I'm going to type it on the command line 2L, and then I'm going to select this line here, and then this line here. I'm going to drag it out, and I'll place it right here, and I'll hit enter. And now I'm going to do one more time. I'm going to do a line. I'm going to still do 2 lines, so I'm going to do a 2L and hit enter. I'm going to select this line and this line, and I'm going to bring it all the way out. Okay, and I'll place it right up here and play enter. I still got 2 more to go, and the next one I want to do is a point and a line. So I want to do the aligned dimension constraint, but down here in my options I have a point and a line, and I type in P to get that option, and I hit enter, and it'll say specify the point, and in this case I want to go with the point as the center point. So I pick on the circle, and I got the circle, and now I want to go back and pick on this line, and I drag it out and place and hit enter. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do the line dimensional constraint. I'm going to hit P for point, and I'm going to place it on the point again, which will be the center of the circle. And this time I want to go with this line right here, and I'll drag it up and I'll place it, and I'll hit enter. Okay, and now we end up with our constraints, and we've used the align dimensional constraints.